Yes, you heard that right. Michel decided to eat a Cessna 150, a small aircraft. Now, you might wonder, how does someone even eat an airplane? Michel had a very systematic approach. He broke the airplane into small, manageable pieces and consumed them bit by bit. He washed everything down with large amounts of water or mineral oil to help the sharp edges pass through his digestive system. It took him 2 years to finish the entire plane, from the metal fuselage to the rubber tires. To everyone's amazement, he succeeded, and this remarkable feat earned him a place in the Guinness World Records.